USA. The perfect dose to your entertainment.
हाय गाइस, हेलो एंड वेलकम। मैं हूँ आरजे उर्मिन आपके साथ। एंड लाइफ में ना बड़ी बड़ी खुशियों से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट छोटी खुशियां होती है। एंड आज मेरे साथ दो ऐसे छोटे नहीं बड़े लोग हैं जो कि ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पर सबके चहीते सबके फेवरेट है, ध्रुव सहगल एंड मिथिला पालकर। हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
आई एम डूइंग अगदी वाओ यार, सो नाइस टू सी द टू ऑफ यू ऑल।
Good to see you.
Mithila, you look fabulous. And sachi batao, you woke up like this, right?
Every day I wake up like this. Every day, not just today.
This is your PJs, no?
ये मेरे
this is
रोज का है.
Rose. And Dhruv, so nice to see you. Congratulations
Thank you.
on
Thank you.
creating 4 beautiful seasons. And we'll come to the season finale. कैसा लग रहा है यार? How does it feel?
Bittersweet यार. कॉलेज खत्म हो रहा है, फेयरवेल चालू है या बट एक्साइटमेंट भी है आगे जाके क्या होने वाला देखेंगे. बट या यू फील वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू आर एबल टू लिव दिस एक्सपीरियंस, यू नो, सो इट्स वेरी वेरी बिटर स्वीट.
Dhruv, so let me begin by asking, 2016 was the time when you created this fabulous show. And पहले season में कुछ कितने 15 मिनट के एपिसोड्स होते थे, एंड नाउ रीचिंग 8 episodes of 32 minutes each on Netflix. How have you seen this growth, and what does Little Things mean to you?
Oh, it means the entire world to me, yaar. It really means a lot to me. How do I see this growth? I don't know, because मतलब objectivity तो है ही नहीं ना, because अभी तो we are right in the middle of it. Maybe after 2-3 years I'll be able to answer that question properly. But no man, it means so much, and both Mithila and I realize how lucky we are, you know, to kind of receive this amount of love and admiration. Yeah, it's really humbling, and yeah.
It's beautiful कि काव्या और ध्रुव की ये जो जर्नी है वो सबने जी है. We have always wanted them together in all possible ways, and ups and downs, बहुत सारे चीजें हुई in the previous seasons, and it's great that y'all worked it out in your sweet little manner. Kavya, yani Mithila, I'd like to ask you, what have been your favorite moments? And I know बहुत सारे होंगे, लेकिन अगर हम if you look back, what has been the one episode or one moment that you cherish the most?
It's a really tough question, yeah. I don't think I can think of one thing, but I think that, and maybe I'm just totally digressing from the question that you asked, but I think when I realized that I'm so attached to this show was when, after the first season, Ruchir Arun got on board with us, and we were reading with him because he was new for us, like we not worked with him before. And the last episode, there were kind of 2 possible ends. And Dhruv and I, we've always somehow been on the same team. Even if off camera, we've never spoken to each other, or not as much, never is too much. But we knew that with Dhruv and Kavya, we thought the same thing. And when we put up that fight with Ruchir, and Ruchir also very strongly feels about them, but just this whole this mutual admiration for the show, these people, and just to want to make it work, just to nurture it, love it, and make the show happen, and just that feeling kind of was a consistent feeling amongst all of us who've been on the show since the very beginning, and it has continued to be. And I think just the feeling of that ownership towards something that we have grown to be so proud of. And it's a weird proud parent feeling, because we've literally been with the show since since the ideation. So yeah, I think in the show there are several moments, but just the making of the show also, it was very special to know that, oh my God, I feel too strongly, like I'm so possessive about her कि हम 4th season तक यही मतलब नहीं काव्या ऐसे नहीं बोलेगी, नहीं ध्रुव और काव्या तो ऐसे बात ही नहीं करेंगे, ये even on sets this used to happen, and there was so much possessiveness and ownership towards them that it'll always be a special show. I don't think there will be a lot more special things that will happen, but nothing will be as special as this.
Little things, of course. So I'm going to ask the two of y'all this question individually. Let me start with you, Mithila. ये बताएं कि ध्रुव के ऐसे कौन से little things habit है in the show जो real life ध्रुव से बहुत match करते हैं?
Very tough.
That is the fact that he's a foodie.
Yeah, I was going to
He's a foodie.
the fact that he's a foodie. Yeah.
What about you, Dhruv? What do you think? What are the little things of Kavya?
Foodie, you know. I don't think we've shown this a lot in the show, but I feel we could have added more scenes where Kavya could have just taken a nap anywhere at any time. You know, that would have been similar to Mithla's being. Yeah. But foodie, I think, is a very common denominator.
Also, the fact that he likes to cook. Like if there comes a point, he'll cook. If he wants to make his girlfriend's day, then he'll cook. Or if she's having a bad day, then right? Yeah.
And they both like to drive. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Lovely. So now let's just talk about season 4. What is this special surprise that we're going to see? It's going to be loaded with so much of excitement. बताओ यार शादी हो रही है कि नहीं? बताओ, बता ही दो. बस मुझे बता दो, किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा.
Okay, for once, like I think I want to say that conversation हो रहा है.
Conversation.
We are acknowledging the fact that now our relationship is 6 years old, and where do we want to go here on? हो रही है या नहीं? I don't think Dhruv and Kavya also know. But I think that there is a conversation because it felt only natural for us to at least talk about it, right? Because now, okay, now we're living together, and you know, now we need to move ahead from here, even as a couple. Individually, तो हम बातें करते ही about our careers and where we want to head. But like as a couple, we wanted to know where this goes. So there's a conversation. Whether it happens or no, we don't know because you know them. They're still just figuring life out as they go along. So they will figure it out. कभी करनी है नहीं करनी है.
Dhruv, tell me, how challenging was it for you to get the season to an end? And शायद कोई perfect end हो ही नहीं सकता. I mean, like Friends is the biggest example. You want more of it. You want a film to come out of it. You want reunion का reunion. So आपके लिए ये कितना challenging था to get everything together to a season finale?
Yeah, like how Mithila said that they probably for a show like this, there is no finale as such. Because, things can go on. And it's only when everyone in the team probably wants to say, I think we should put a stop to it. So, and honestly, to say that our entire focus was on the last final moment of the season is actually wrong because we didn't think of it like that. And it also goes against the grain of the show because then it becomes about big things. It's not about the everydayness of life. So, it wasn't, the challenging part was probably to not think about it, to let life happen on camera.
We're going to cry, we're going to cry, no? We're going to cry a lot, right?
Little bit.
It depends on you.
Little bit. Little bit.
Yeah, you may cry.
I mean...
Little bit. हाँ, थोड़ा सा होगा. इधर तक आएगा, इधर तक नहीं आएगा.
एक से आएगा, दूसरे से नहीं आएगा.
Be a lump in your throat.
I want to know if these little things you do or not, or have you done it in your life or not? ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें क्या आपने कभी अपने life में की है या नहीं की है, and be honest about it. ठीक है? Okay. Have you ever added थोड़ा पानी in your shampoo bottle to finish it?
Yes.
Yeah.
मैं तो ऐसा मतलब वो full like I'll
shampoo
scoop it
bottle,
out.
hand wash.
Everything.
हैंड वॉश तो अभी मुझे पता ही नहीं उसका वो रियल फॉर्म क्या है. मुझे सिर्फ पता कि ऐसे पिचकोगे तो पानी निकलेगा.
Okay. And those sachets, sometimes those sachets that used to come, so you like belan leke
Belan leke?
matlab like your toothpaste and all.
Yeah.
You want to squeeze the last bit out.
ये दादर बोली. ये दादर. Okay. Have you ever asked for free kadhi patta over kothmir?
Yeah.
Because it's a no, like sometimes when they don't give it feels like ये क्या हो गया? This something's incomplete because they give it on their own.
हाँ, if they don't give it तो हमें अजीर्ण होता है. Okay. Have you ever hit the TV remote for it to work?
100%.
Yeah, full on. Bichara
I've hit
TV
the
remote.
phone also sometimes.
Yeah, I have that habit. You know, जब मुझे network नहीं आता तो मैं
हाँ वही तो नेटवर्क नहीं आता तो इधर उधर और फोन.
Okay. Have you ever stopped and watched a fight on the street? You're late, but you still wanted to watch. Like, क्या हो रहा है? Matter.
Not when I'm running late, but वैसे तो मैं और मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड स्कूल में हम यही करते थे. दो सैंडविच उठाए और देख रहे हैं कौन लड़ रहा है, आज उधर देखते हैं. Yeah, full on.
Okay. Have you ever not removed plastic from a new item
Oh, I
for a
remove
really
it.
long time?
No, not
Yes.
for me. I remove it immediately.
Yes.
Sila?
When I first bought my car, it was the biggest buy for me, right? Because मतलब it's a car. And then I was like, नहीं ये कैसे मतलब अभी इसके सीट का प्लास्टिक कैसे निकालूं? Also it's a cream colored seat. One day my friend was just like, और बैठ के वो फट भी रहा था. So my friend was just like, I can't take this. I sit in the passenger seat. I'm going to scrape it out. And then she just pulled it out. She was like, I don't care. So yeah, I have.
Have you ever worn an outfit with a tag so that you can exchange it?
No.
No, but unknowingly, yes.
Unknowingly exchange मतलब?
I unknowingly kept the tag on
Like that.
and hanging outside.
Huh.
And only my parents catch this, like my mother, my grandmother, and she's like, "ये काय है? असं का करते?"
Fashion. Next time you're on the ramp, who are you wearing? तू ही देख पीछे से. मैं क्यों बोलूं? Okay. Have you ever gate crashed a wedding?
No.
Yeah, twice.
You're my friend. You're my friend Dhruv.
चलो, next wedding gate crash I'll call you.
Yes. नहीं यार, अब तुम पहचान में आ जाओगे यार. ऐसा लगेगा कि एक सेलिब्रिटी आ गए यार. मैं पीछे से PR. Okay, final two. Have you ever eaten ice cream का cone ulta?
Oh, interesting one. No, but I will try it tonight. Hey, why don't more people try that? That's so
Not
good.
deliberately.
It is the best.
Not deliberately. Sometimes when like I've just been haggling on it and then obviously it like gets soggy and then it starts dripping, then I had to, but not deliberately.
Pilla is such a good person. कुछ भी deliberately नहीं किया है.
Yeah.
इतनी अच्छी लड़की हूँ मैं.
एकदम best.
बस एब्सेंट माइंडेड हूँ. टैग रहता है बाहर, वो डेलिबरेटली नहीं गया, वो हो रहा गया है.
है क्या? And finally, have you ever sent a gift to yourself as a fan कि ओह ये फूल मेरे fans भी.
इतना सेल्फ
नहीं
इंडल्जेंट
भाई,
नहीं.
यार, नहीं, never. I would want to know who's done it though. It's really cool.
Yeah, I also want to let you all know that, let me clear this out. ये सारी घटनाएं मेरे साथ बिल्कुल नहीं हुई है.
पक्का.
चाहे कुछ भी आप लोग बोलो. This is just like public questions that are coming.
Correct,
They are not.
Correct.
They are not little things that have happened to me or I have done.
We believe you totally.
Yeah. That gift
But-
you got was actually from me.
Okay guys, final हो गया ये. iPhone 13 मुझे मिथिला ने गिफ्ट किया है. वॉच ध्रुव का है and like I'm just so happy. Well, guys, these are little things that we love about the two of y'all, about this wonderful this characters that y'all have created, and we're so happy to see Dhruv and Kavya together in another season. जैसे ध्रुव आपने कहा कि that you can't just get everything together in the season finale. But I think that every time we see an episode of the two of y'all, there's a lot that y'all share intellectually too. पिछले season के आखिरी episode में भी there were such great thoughts that Kavya mentioned while you were in the dilemma, and it stays. ये खास बात है कि little things that you all say make a big difference in a lot of people's life. So keep up the good work, and thank you so much for being so amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arvind. Thank you.
All right, take care, all the best.
Bye.
And I'm all ready tissue papers के साथ रोने के लिए and हंसने के लिए, but it's going to be a fabulous season, so all the very best to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Desi Web USA. The perfect dose to your entertainment.